All right, here I was working like on a 2015 or 16 Chrysler 300 with the 3.6 liter engine. Um, and the customer said the AC wasn't working, and they had no AC, so all of it leaked out. So what I did is I refilled it and put some AC dye on it. And I don't really see any video on people showing where the leak can be from or any common AC leaks. I do see videos of people with 300s replacing the evaporator cores, though, and no one really shows what they did to figure that out. But here I'm going to show how you figure it out. All you have to do is put AC dye in the system and let it run for like 30 minutes. The problem is it's a 1234 YF, so if you're going to refill it and put dye, it's going to be a little pricey. But if you're working at a shop, it's not really a big deal. But if you look at the side of the transmission by the driver's side, you see that line, that a glowing line. That's basically the AC dye leaking out of the evaporator core, and it's making that line because it's coming out with the water. And that's about it. The drain is on top of the transmission, and I'm going to show some pictures of that. Here it's dripping down onto this bolt too, and it's it's glowing a little bit. But here I took some pictures with my camera. You see this puddle of water on top of the transmission. It's literally right in the center. And it drips onto the transmission and goes onto the side on the driver's side. Now, to get to the connections to refill the AC dye, it's kind of they're easy to get to, but this low side is really hard to get to. It's on the driver's side, more towards the rear, but this low side is pointing down towards a coolant line, and the clamp gets in the way, so your fitting won't go in there correctly. You have to move the clamp to get your AC connections to get on. And what happens is, if you're running it for a long time, it's really hot, so you're going to be burning your hands. So my best recommendation is let the car cool down, then move the clamp. Once the clamp is able to move, and the clamp is hard to move because it's such a tight spot, but once it's cooled down, then that's when you connect your AC connections. So hopefully it helps you out. If you have any questions, just let me know.